Hey guys, I just bought me a GoPro and I realized you can preview while recording. I mean, everything is good, pretty smooth, but I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna record it. See, when you are recording, you cannot see preview on your phone, only from outside. I mean, you can only see on GoPro. But when you are on your phone, you cannot see preview. So my point is, if you are driving inside the car and you wanna put your GoPro outside the car and you wanna control it using your phone, while controlling it you wanna see a preview, you can't do it because there is no preview while recording. Preview is not available while recording. So here you go guys. I don't know, I gave this, I thought still the best, I thought this is the best of the best, but it's not. But I mean, I think it's okay, but I want more control, you know what I mean? But I can't. Here you go guys, it's up to you guys what you think about this camera. I mean, I like it, but the only problem is you cannot preview while recording. See right there, preview is not available while recording.